Words meaning in English, Hindi and Santhali. First word is I. In Hindi, मैं. In Santhali, इन. Next word is we, means हम या हम लोग. In Santhali, abo या ale. In English, you. In Hindi, आप या तुम. In Santhali, abin या am. Next word in English, he. In Hindi, वो, लड़का के लिए. In Santhali, उनी. Next, they. वे लोग. In Santhali, उनको या उन्हीं और. Next, she. वह, लड़की के लिए. In Santhali, उनी. Next in Hindi, it. वो, वस्तु के लिए. In Santhali, ओना या नोवा. Next, its. इसका, वस्तु के लिए. In Santhali, नोवा रेया. In English, that. In Hindi, वो, दूर एक वस्तु के लिए. In Santhali, हना. Next in English, this. यह. In Santhali, noa या नोई. Next in English, these. ये. Santhali, noa को. In English, those. वे. In Santhali, हना को. In English, whom. Hindi, किसको. In Santhali, ओकोय को. Next in English, whose. किसका. In Santhali, ओकोया. Next in English, which. कौन सा. In Santhali, ओकाटा. Next in English, what. Hindi, क्या. Santhali, चेत या ओका. Next in English, why. In Hindi, क्यों. In Santhali, चेदा. In English, how. In Hindi, कैसे. In Santhali, चिकते या चेत लेकाते. In English, who. In Hindi, कौन. In Santhali, ओकोय. Next in English, his brother. In Hindi, उसका भाई. In Santhali, उन्नीज बोया. Next in English, her sister. उसकी बहन. In Santhali, उन्नीज बोइन. Next in English, his elder brother. हिंदी, उसका बड़ा भाई. In Santhali, उन्नीज marang दादा. Next, her elder sister. उसकी बड़ी बहन. In Santhali, उन्नीज marang दीदी. In English, my. In Hindi, मेरा या मेरी. In Santhali, इन्या. English, our. In Hindi, हमारा. In Santhali, aboa. Next in English, your. In Hindi, आपका या आपकी. In Santhali, abina या abinren. In English, his. In Hindi, उसका या उसके. In Santhali, उनिया. Next in English, her. In Hindi, उसकी. In Santhali, uniren या उनिया. Next in English, name. उइसे. In Hindi, नाम. उइसे. In Santhali, nyutum. Next word in English, your. उइसे. In Hindi, आपका, आपकी, तुम्हारा, तुम्हारी. And उइसे. In Santhali, abina या ama. Next word in English, their. उइसे. In Hindi, उनका. And Santhali, उनकुआ या उनिया. Next word in English, where. उइसे. In Hindi, कहाँ. And Santhali, ओकारे. Next in English, here. In Hindi, यहाँ. In Santhali, नोडे. Next in English, there. in Hindi वहाँ, in Santhali hande. Next in English when, we say in Hindi कब, we say in Santhali तीन रे, तीन जुखे. Next in English how much, we say in Hindi कितना, and we say in Santhali तीन. Next in English how many, we say in Hindi कितना, in Santhali तीन. And next word so much, we say in Hindi इतना, and we say Santhali nuna. Next English word, a sentence. First of all, we say in Hindi सबसे पहले, we say in Santhali sanam kon marang. Next English sentence, a word. To say in Hindi कहना, in Santhali लई या men. Next speak in Hindi बोलना, and we say in Santhali roar. Next word in English tell, in Hindi कहना, in Santhali लई या लपई. Next in English take, in Hindi लेना, in Santhali hataw. Next in English give, we say in Hindi देना, we say in Santhali em या emo. Next in English buy, we say in Hindi खरीदना, we say in Santhali kiring. Next in English sell, we say in Hindi बेचना, and Santhali akring. And next meet, in Hindi मिलना, in Santhali nyapam. And next in English add, we say in Hindi जोड़ना, and Santhali mesha या जोड़. Next is advice, we say in Hindi सलाह देना, and we say in Santhali goro emo. Next in English agree, in Hindi सहमत होना, in Santhali sikaro. Next in English allow, in Hindi मंजूर करना, in Santhali बताओ का. Next word appear, in Hindi मालूम होना, in Santhali बड़ाई नाम. Next word arise, in Hindi उठना, in Santhali rakab. Next in English arrive, in Hindi पहुँचना, in Santhali setero. Next in English arrange, in Hindi व्यवस्थित करना, in Santhali साजाव या मौजूद. Next word in English ask, in Hindi पूछना, in Santhali kukli. Next is wake, in Hindi जगना या जगाना, in Santhali beredo या बेरेद को. That's all.